Two of the world's favorite snacks have come together to create an irresistible treat, Oreo Popcorn. It's simple to make with Oreo's popcorn kit and gold medal equipment and supplies. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we will be using. 2 4-ounce pouches of white coconut oil, 1 pouch of Oreo-based cake, 1 pouch of Oreo cream, 1 bag of Oreo cookie pieces, popcorn serving bags, and 32 ounces of butterfly popcorn. First, empty 2 4-ounce pouches of white coconut oil into the kettle. Oreo popcorn should be popped with white coconut oil only. Do not use flavacol or salt. Next, load your corn into the kettle and close the lid. Your popcorn will begin to pop. Once the popcorn is done cooking, dump the kettle. After you dump the kettle, take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. After popping the popcorn with white coconut oil only, place the 5 gallons of popcorn in your tumbler. Pre-melt the Oreo cream. You can do this by placing the Oreo cream in a microwave-safe container, using approximately a 4-cup container, and microwaving it for 30 to 45 seconds until it reaches a pourable consistency. While the popcorn is tumbling slowly, pour the cream along the edge in a narrow stream, about the size of a pencil, and let the machine do the mixing. Continue pouring, slow but steady. Once the cream is applied, gradually add the base cake to the tumbler, allowing it to evenly coat the corn. Next, gently add in the Oreo cookie pieces and let the batch tumble for another 30 to 45 seconds until it's mixed. When the process is complete, you are ready to serve up this delicious treat. And that's how simple it is to produce Oreo popcorn.